how to change audio and subtitle language on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in your Netflix homepage, okay, you can see here the edit button on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the edit button and now you can see the pencil icon on the per profile. And okay, so for my example, I changed the audio and subtitles language on this Chad profile. Okay, you can tap the pencil icon on this profile and now you can see here the audio and subtitles. And the audio and subtitle is set into English. So if you want to change this audio and subtitle language, okay, you'll have to do stop this. And now you can see the option. Choosing the language, you watch TV shows and movies and help us set up your audio and subtitle for a better viewing experience. So for my example, I set the audio and subtitle language into Filipino. Go back and automatically save these settings, the audio and subtitle language on this profile. And after that, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the audio and subtitle language on Netflix in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.